Alright. Back on the 2010 Mitsubishi Rosa 450 engine. We might have to get some light on this subject, but we're going to do a thermostat. The thermostat is actually on the bottom hose on this, on the 450 engine. It's not accessible from the top, despite what you might see on the internet. It's definitely underneath. I've got a new thermostat for it. So the reason you might be changing your thermostat is that it might overheat. Also, it might run too cool. Might take a long time to heat up. Also, it might sporadically cool down and heat up, so you might see a spike in temperature and then a sudden cool down. All those sorts of things. So the thermostat's job is just to stabilize the heat in the engine, so to make sure it's at operating temperature. We're on the right hand side of the engine, the right hand side of the bus, or the driver's side. Oh, well, I should say driver's side in Australia. It's probably might not be the driver's side everywhere in the world. But anyway, we're on the right hand side of the engine, or when you look at the front of the bus, it's on the left hand side. And that's the thermostat right there. So you can see the radiator hose goes in, and then there's those two bolts. Oh, you can only see one bolt, I guess. There's another one hiding just under there. If you can see that or not. But yeah, so we've got to remove the thermostat. So those two bolts, obviously you want to make sure the vehicle's cool or cold, preferably not hot, unless it's winter time and you want to warm up. Yeah, so we'll have to get some extension bars on a ratchet, I would say. You probably don't want to use a rattle gun on this. It is all alloy, trying to avoid using a rattle gun on stuff like that. So what we'll do is we'll get some extension bars on the 3/8 drive and we'll try and crack those and see how we go. Alright, so the thermostat's in. You did have to remove the little pipe there on the side of the turbo pipe, this one here. I'll have to take that off. Unscrewed it at the hose clamp there and moved it to the side. Got rid of the hose, and that was enough room to get to that bolt that's under there. Other than that, pretty straightforward. Also undone this radiator hose, the bottom radiator hose here. Give enough movement to get it out. So yeah, thermostat. Not that hard.